Guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another war intro. I always say the same intro, but today I'm excited because this look came out so pretty. I am so excited for y'all to see this tutorial. I feel like I'm back, you know, back on track. Y'all will hear me say some things in this tutorial of why I really haven't been doing tutorials like that, but I'm back, y'all. This is it. I love this look. I love the way it came out. See, I like it, and I think the black lip, a black lip always like does it for me. I don't know. My new tattoo alert. I'm also looking for an editor or anyone of that sort that does video editing so that I can continuously do tutorials while I know that somebody is editing my videos. I need somebody, so if y'all know any editors, please comment down below. If y'all know somebody who knows somebody, let me know. Let them know to let me know. You know, I need somebody to edit my videos, cause I can't edit no more. Like, it takes me days to edit. Like, it's just not it. And I be want to get every little piece of information in their video, so please let me know. But I don't want to keep y'all long in this intro. I just want y'all to get right into it. If y'all want to see how to beat your face like this, get the exact same look, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, I'm officially back. Eyebrows on fleek, base is smooth. I did receive a package from Plouise, and I did buy some things from them. Well, not some things, but the bases that came out, the crisp and waffle bases, I bought them. But she sent me more stuff, y'all, because I'm on the PR team, but I just had to get those bases, okay? I didn't know how long the other stuff was going to take, but I had to get the bases. So if you want me to swatch some of these, I think I might swatch some stuff after this video. I might insert a clip before we get started with the makeup tutorial on swatches on these products. So if I don't, let me know if you want to see that. Yeah, I don't know what's been going on lately. I haven't been into doing makeup lately. It just like, and then everything wasn't coming out right. That's why I've been vlogging, because I've been more outside than doing tutorials. But I miss doing tutorials. I just have to come back to my space. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to just sit here and then just give y'all anything and be like, oh, you know, this I do. No. I can't keep doing that. I have to be physically in the mood to do a tutorial in order to give y'all physically what y'all want to see, baby. Cause I can't just be slapping anything out there. So yeah, I was in the state. I was in the state of not wanting to do tutorials. It's more so going outside, trying to figure out what to do, trying to have fun, things like that. But I feel like when this work is work, colors are so pretty. I am going to darken the screen to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all swatches of these bases, but these are the summer bases. So thankful. I'm so thankful. Oh, these aren't the bases, but these are the metallic colors. Y'all, so pretty. Like, I have an idea in my head. Like, this is what I miss. I miss creating my own looks. These were the Prime and Define, but like, man, she was like, you need anything? I was like, yes, I need this palette. That's August. I seen in the back. I was listening to what was going on, and I had to listen to that with him and Jada in this entanglement, baby. So we have 2 highlighters on each side, and we have these colors right here. So I definitely want to dig in. First shade I think I'm going to go into is Echo, because it's like this deep purple. The thing is, when you lay down your first color, you can go in with a flat brush, or you can go in with a crease brush. It's all up to you, personal preference, but I like to go in with a flat brush. So we're going to take the 167 brush from Morphe, and we're going to dig into Ego, y'all. That shadow on, okay? Yeah, I feel like this gonna be lit though. So I like to go up. What I don't like when it comes to doing tutorials is the edit part. I don't like editing, y'all. Like, that takes up most of my day. Like, if I can just do tutorials, Look at my mouth. I hate the side of my mouth because it get that be happening when I do my foundation. It just gets like all that saliva gets in there. Do this off camera and then we're gonna start the second transition. Alright, so I already started applying it. So we're gonna add the color Screw. Oh wee, y'all know what that means. It's number 17. 117. It's kind of lost in my blend. And this out, y'all, but I'm staying low. Staying low when I'm blending this out. I'm gonna go into the shade Smooch. It's like an orange color, like a bright orange. And we're gonna put this on top. Smooch looks too much alike. Okay, we need something other than Smooch. I'm guessing Blue palette, and I'm just gonna take this. This is a fluffy brush. We're gonna use this one. I'm gonna go back in with Ego, and I'm going to basically blend this up. So y'all see me blending, and this brush is a Morphe 330, and I'm taking it and I'm consistently picking up shadow to deepen this up, like deepen it and blend, deepen and blend, deepen and blend. Alright y'all, so I'm back. So I went ahead and cleaned up my lid area with some makeup wipes and also some micellar water. I'm gonna go into this yellow base, y'all. It is called Yummy Yellow. Could not find a color that was that light yellow in my collection. And I probably have one. It's just that I don't know what. So I'm just mixing like greens and yellow. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. So for it to blend like smooth for me, I am taking this color and that color at the same time. So my daughter, the memory card I have for here, she lost my memory card. I don't know where it's at. It's this Pore Perfected Toner for my pores, and I've been having trouble with my pores. Like, I don't really like them. Or maybe I think it might be hairs on my pore. Use that, and I wiped most of all the oil off my face. Now I'm gonna go in with some of this Pore Professional Primer. This Pore Perfecting Primer too. I got to brand it. So I like to use them two on top, not just like this. You try to melt this onto the skin. So I like to go on with Becca Ultimate Primer. Okay, and then I also like to go on my forehead. I think I'm gonna go in with Smashbox on the outer part. I like to go in with a dark foundation on the outer part of my face. And then this Milk foundation helps with pores. So I think I'm gonna put this in the middle. I'm gonna take 10 sand and then 10 deep sand. For contour, I like to use this. I don't know, it's a 1x1, but I'm trying to think like if I should just let this marinate first and then blend it out, because this can get stuck too. So powder. Bronze, I'm going in with Mocha Mami. Mocha Mami, y'all already know I'm going in with Mocha Mami. And I don't want it to be like concentrated. I just want it to be like Alright, I went ahead and went in with the crisp finish, and this is in the shade Sexy Chile. Under eyes, I'm gonna smoke it out with that green. So I'm gonna take this green under here and I'm gonna smoke it out. And I put that down because they're under eye. So I'm serious. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my extra dimension. I'm gonna work this up too. Like under eye, this mascara gets it. Okay, and you can use the wand and dip it in another mascara. You can go in actually with 2 coats. I did that. Now it's time to basically spray my face, and we are going to highlight. I think I'm gonna add some more blush. Alright, so my mic is about to die too. So I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown highlighter. And with Black Velvet. I'm about to go, I don't know, put some earrings on, try to find a shirt, something for this look, and I'm gonna be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hey, hey. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Oh. Thank y'all. Hey. Okay, I feel like I gotta turn my videos up or something. I feel like I gotta turn my videos up or something for y'all to watch or something. Where y'all been at? If that you enjoyed, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this beat. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.